The hole in the Earth's ozone layer is getting bigger and bigger every day, and as it does so, it's directly affecting how everybody lives their day-to-day lives. Air pollution affects everyone, and because it's affecting one of humanity's vital resources. I've done a little bit of research on those topics to be able to talk about it, because it's something I'm very passionate about, making sure that we have clean air to breathe so that we can sustain life on this earth here. And pollution is something that could be prevented, and everyone on this planet should be doing everything they can in order to help protect the planet and prevent this air pollution. Now, people can help decrease the amount of pollution by using cleaner means of transportation, finding cleaner energy sources, and also by trying to get governing officials to help make regulations to help us have a cleaner environment there. The first thing I'd like to talk about today is that people can cut down on air pollution. A large amount of air pollution. People can help using cleaner means of transportation by using cleaner means of transportation, finding cleaner energy sources, and also by trying to get governing officials to help make regulations to help us have a cleaner environment there. The first thing I'd like to talk about today is that people can cut down on the large amount of air pollution by using cleaner means of transportation. I do have a quote here. It says that the single most important cause of pollution is the use of fossil fuels in cars, industries, and homes. So to cut down on that a little bit, what people can do is, do a little more of carpooling, which a lot of cities now have the carpool lanes to help encourage that. And also, a lot of people are using electric cars now, which don't emit as much waste into the air as do the traditional gasoline cars there. There needs to be more time of research put into cleaner energy options and cleaner energy sources. Now, the USA, China, UK, Germany, and Brazil have all dedicated billions of dollars for research into finding cleaner means of energy to help decrease the amount of air pollution that we have. And a lot of people think that nuclear energy may be the answer to all this, to making sure that we are using cleaner energy, because they don't emit the same levels of air pollution that like coal and oil-fired power plants do. But radioactive substances such as uranium and plutonium are really powerful poisons and can be very harmful to the human body. And furthermore, governing officials do need to set some regulations to help prevent so much of the air pollution. For example, there was rising concern about carbon dioxide levels rising too high, and at a convention that was held by the United Nations Meteorology Organization in 1979, that was held to help solve that problem, and they did put forth some rules and laws to help regulate the problem that they had there. And also, we had the Montreal Protocol in 1987, and that helped stabilize the problem of the Earth's depleting ozone layer. And I did have another quote here. The Natural Resources Defense Council closely tracks the air emissions of the biggest polluters, which they call their benchmarking project. They did find that emissions of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides have decreased by 36% and 44% respectively, and that's because of the strict guidelines of the 1990 Clean Air Act. So people are starting to put forth more effort into regulating this, but we need a little bit more effort because we still have so much air pollution here. In conclusion, air pollution is a very serious thing, and it is something that everyone should be trying to prevent by using cleaner means of transportation, doing more research into cleaner energy, and also getting governing officials to help set some more rules, regulations, and laws into putting forth a cleaner energy and to help clean up the